So today's vlog was supposed to start like this. We were coming down to the beach in East Lothian. We're going to have a nice picnic, enjoy the weather, enjoy the views. But unfortunately, the weather forecasters were horribly wrong. It was supposed to be a gorgeous day today, and it is grim. Look at what we're seeing right now. So, instead, we're just sitting here at the beach, looking at the beach from our car. I refuse to be totally put down by the weather today, so since I'm wearing my brand new Adventure Everything merch, hot on the market, I'm going to take some photos. Or rather, Tekka's going to take some photos. She's sitting in the car there behind me. She's got the big zoom lens on, and I'm going to go and find somewhere nice to stand and pose. There's all these World War II barriers that's along these rocks here. If I can climb up on some of them, it might be a good photo opportunity. At least save the day, because it has been a disaster so far. It's all very splintered ground. I don't want to crack my head off any of these rocks. Okay, so gingerly I am up on the rock. I'm not very sure-footed though. I'm not convinced this was a great idea. It hurt a little bit. It's sharp, these rocks. They didn't look that sharp when I started climbing, but I'm pretty sure actually, I've cut myself. Now that I'm up here, I have no idea how I'm going to get down without hurting myself. I'm not going to lie, right? What you did not see there, off camera, was me struggling to get off of this. I think I got a fair few pebbles right where the sun doesn't shine. That hurt. Anyway, tartan week challenge. Tartan every day. I think we're into day 2 or 3. I think 3 maybe. I'm wearing the World Peace Tartan, which is a charitable organisation here in Scotland. I really like this tartan, and it matches my Adventure Everything blue jumper. And that is what the tartan of the day is for me. Alright, okay, so as we drive away, this car park is a really good view of Edinburgh. It's probably the best known dogging spot of all of Edinburgh. Don't ask me how I know that. It just is. It's a known fact. Anyway, let's get the heck out of here before nightfall comes and the strange people start appearing.